भारत माता की, भारत माता की, इंकलाब, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब, जय जवान, जय जवान, जय जवान, वंदे मातरम, वंदे, वंदे, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, जय जवान, जय जवान, जय जवान।
Okay.
Commentary by Asina Fatima of 10th A1 and CH Yogesh of 10th A2. In charge teacher, Mr. K. Madhubabu sir.
NCC Group, the national team. Today, as an NCC group marks past with pride, with medal in dance at Nagaram camp. Y. Manaswini and M. Sarvi Reddy got selected in firing for 12th Telangana Battalion NCC Nizamabad. They also received gold medal in volleyball at Nagaram. K. Akshara of 10th A6, T. Nivedita of 10th A6, S. Kritika of 10th A5, J. Madhusri of 10th A3, C. H. Jahnavi Yadav of 10th A1 and Y. Manaswini of 10th A1 received gold medal in dance at Nagaram camp. Y. Manaswini and M. Sarvi Reddy got selected in firing for 12th Telangana Battalion NCC Nizamabad. They also received gold medal in volleyball camp at Nagaram camp. Continued by C.H. Yogesh of 10th grade.
The NCC group of Vijay School now approaches the saluting base, marching in perfect synchrony, heads held high and hearts filled with pride. These cadets represent the true spirit of the National Cadet Corps. This year has been a remarkable one of our NCC boys. B. Vignesh and G. Dharmik earned the honor of selection to the prestigious 12th Battalion NCC firing camp at Nizamabad, showing their sharp skills and determination. L. Nitin Rao, C. H. Vishwak Sen, A. Rajkaran Reddy and A. Karthikeya brought laurels by winning gold medals in volleyball at the Jankampet camp, providing their excellence both on and off the field. Reddy Siddhartha achieved distinguished honor and selected for the Republic Day camp, a platform reserved for the finest cadets of our nation. Leading the proud troop today is our flag bearer K. Maheshwar Reddy of 10th A5, placard holder C.H. Prerna of 10th A1, a symbol of leadership and commitment. As they march past, our NCC carry forward the proud motto unit and discipline, inspiring every young mind to serve the nation with dedication, loyalty and pride.
Under that! 8 and 9 boys and girls, number of participants 50. I request Mrs. P. Sujata Martin to receive the ceremony. Commentary by D. Srinitya of 10th A1 and T. Lakshmi Nitya Rao of 10th A1. In charge teachers, Mrs. B. Shravanti.
National Green Corps. The NCC is basically structured to form a network to evolve an effective method to make the community participate in the protection and conservation of environmental resources. NCC is a national program. The primary objective is to spread environmental action orientation to the students. The NCC units organize and conduct a series of activities on environmental themes which are of immediate relevance and concern to the area. Students of Class 8 are the school Green Soldiers, being members in the NCC units. environmental resources. NGC is a national program. The primary objective is to spread environmental action orientation to the students. The NGC unit organizes and conducts a series of activities on environmental themes which are of immediate relevance and concern to the area. Students of Class 8 are the school green soldiers being members in the NGC unit, continued by B. Srinitya of 10th A1.
This program was launched in our school 2 decades ago. It is a stepping stone towards enhancing the highest how for the environment. Haritamaharam, Award Plastic, Award Ganesh Items Zero, Plastic of Paris, etc. programs are conducted in our school premises to save nature and avoid pollution. On account of Independence Day celebrations, National Week of Smart Plastic followed by flag bearer and series of 8A1 and placard holder and Virginia of 8A1. This program was launched in our school 2 decades ago. It is a stepping stone towards enhancing the child's love for the environment. Haritamaharam, Avoid Plastic, Avoid Ganesh Items made of plaster of Paris, etc. programs are conducted in our school premises to save nature and avoid pollution. On account of Independence Day celebrations, National Week of Smart Plastic followed by flag bearer and series of 8A1 and placard holder and Virginia of 8A1.
School troop march past by 10 boys and girls, number of participants 62. I request Mrs. P. Vijayata Madam to receive the salute. Commentary by K. Varni of 10th A1 and K. Jessica of 10th A1. In charge teachers S. Venkateswar and Padmalata Madam.
School troop girls. The talent showcasing their strength, unity and spirit in today's march past. Dressed in white and pink and black uniforms, they represent the perfect blend of grace and determination. The pink symbolizes the energy and enthusiasm of youth, while the black reflects their discipline, focus and unwavering commitment. As they march forward, let us cheer them on, recognizing their dedication, hard work and the spirit of teamwork that they display so proudly. These girls are not just part of march, but a symbol of courage, confidence and a bright future ahead. S. Sushant of 10th A is the flag bearer and J. Madhusri of 10th A is the placard holder for school group. H. Harini Yadav of 9th A participated in national level football tournament held at Mehboob Nagar and Secretary. N. Naidana of 10th A participated in state level cycling and swimming competition held at Hyderabad. D. Akshita of 10th A participated in state level football and football competition held at Nizamabad and Golconda. C.H. Janvi Yadav of 10th A participated in national level football competition held at Jharkhand and also participated in state level competition held at Yadadri, and she also participated in district level athletic association held at Nagarnam and awarded gold medal. J. Madhusri of 10th A participated in state level football tournament held at Police Parade Ground, Nizamabad. This will be continued by Tejas School troop boys. The impressive group of boys who will be leading the march past today dressed in their smart sky blue and dark blue uniforms. They stand as a symbol of dedication, strength and unity. The sky blue reflects their enthusiasm and youthful energy, while the dark blue signifies their discipline, focus and determination. As they march forward with confidence and pride, let us show our appreciation for their hard work, commitment and team spirit. They are not just marching today, they are showcasing the values of leadership, teamwork and patriotism. We Pritam of 10th A, V. Manjunath of 10th A, Muhammad Taha of 9th A participated in state level football competition held at Golconda. A. Rajkaran Reddy of 10th A1 participated in state level cricket competition held at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Kamareddy. Of 10th A1 participated in district level athletics conducted at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Kamareddy. G. Pritam of 10th A5, V. Manjunath of 10th A3, Muhammad Taha of 9th A4 participated in state level football competition held at Golconda. A. Rajkaran Reddy of 10th A1 participated in state level cricket competition held at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Kamareddy. C.H. Vishwasen of 10th A1 participated in district level athletics conducted at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Kamareddy. G. Pritam of 10th A5, V. Manjunath of 10th A3, Muhammad Taha of 9th A4 participated in state level football competition held at Golconda. A. Rajkaran Reddy of 10th A1 participated in state level cricket competition held at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Kamareddy. C.H. Vishwasen of 10th A1 participated participated in district level athletics conducted at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Kamareddy. Chief Victim of 10th April, P. Manjunath of 10th April, Mohammad Taha of 9th April participated in state level Kho-Kho competition held at Palkonda. A. Rajkaran Reddy of 10th April participated in state level cricket competition held at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Kamareddy. As they march forward with confidence and pride, let us show our appreciation for their hard work, commitment and team spirit. They are not just marching today, they are showcasing the values of leadership, teamwork and patriotism.
I kindly request
Respected dignitaries on the dais, on the teachers, and my dear students, a very good morning to everyone and happy Independence Day. As we celebrate 79th Independence Day this year, the theme for today's Independence Day is honoring freedom and inspiring the future. The title or the theme of this Independence Day reminds us that we need to remember the sacrifice made by all the freedom fighters who lit the lamp of freedom. And the second thing in the theme shows or indicates the responsibility of the young generation, the next generation which is going to lead the lamp or carry the lamp forward of freedom. So, as we all know, this year there was an attack, Pahalgam attack, which was a deadly terrorist attack in Jammu and Kashmir. Of course, it was a sad incident where many people have lost their life. But after that, as the freedom fighters before the World War, now also we have a great leader, Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, who has taken a daring step forward and he has taken an initiative for Operation Sindoor. So Operation Sindoor is not just for one attack, it should be continued. And who is going to continue this? You, the youth of today who are going to lead the country in the next coming years. So don't think that we are free, we have got freedom. It's not a gift, it's already given. So we still have attacks being done, we still have fear. So the people in the country should not fear for that. For that, what do we need to do? You should feel responsible. The young generation should feel responsible to carry forward the same freedom that was given to us from the freedom fighters. And the present leader, Narendra Modi ji, should be our inspiration. So to take a daring step ahead. Not only that, it's not only about the attacks and all. Every step that we take every day, every word we speak from our mouth, every action we take in our day-to-day life is important for the freedom to be continued. I hope all our students will also take good steps towards the future. And lastly, for the teachers, let us feel responsible to mold our children to be very good citizens of India, and let us make our country proud of our students. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Ma'am, for sharing your valuable insights with us, I request Mrs. M. Shilata Madam to deliver her speech.
వేదికను అలంకరించిన యాజమాన్యానికి మరియు నా తోటి ఉపాధ్యాయులకు మరియు ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు 79వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈరోజు మన దేశ చరిత్రలో ఒక మహత్తరమైన రోజు. అదే
బ్రిటిష్ పాలన నుండి స్వాతంత్రం పొందిన రోజు. ఇది కొన్ని సంవత్సరాల క్రితం బ్రిటిష్ వారు వ్యాపారం అనే పేరుతో మన దేశానికి వచ్చి మనని బందీలుగా చేసుకొని మన దేశాన్ని పరిపాలించారు. మరి అలాంటి బ్రిటిష్ పాలనకు వ్యతిరేకంగా సాగిన సుదీర్ఘ పోరాటంలో ఎందరో నాయకులు తమ జీవితాలను ప్రాణాలను త్యాగం చేశారు. మరి వారి త్యాగాల ఫలితంగా బ్రిటిష్ పాలన నుంచి భారతదేశం విముక్తి పొంది 1947లో ఆగస్టు 15న మన దేశానికి స్వాతంత్రం లభించింది. వారు చేసిన అలుపెరగని పోరాటం కారణంగానే నేడు మనమంతా స్వేచ్ఛా వాయువులు పీల్చుకుంటున్నాము. ఇప్పుడు స్వాతంత్రం వచ్చి 78 వసంతాలు పూర్తి అయ్యి 79వ సంవత్సరంలోకి అడుగు పెడుతున్నాం. కానీ ఇంకా మన భారతదేశం అభివృద్ధి చెందుతున్న దేశాల జాబితాలోనే ఉంది. ఒక దేశ దిశను మార్చాలంటే యువత పాత్ర చాలా ముఖ్యం. విద్యార్థులు మీరు రేపు రాబోయే యువత. కాబట్టి విద్యార్థులుగా మీరు మీ బాధ్యతలను చక్కగా నిర్వర్తిస్తూ రేపటి పౌరులుగా మన దేశాన్ని అన్ని రంగాలలో అగ్రస్థానంలో నిలబెట్టేలా కృషి చేస్తారని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. అప్పుడే అది మీరు మన స్వాతంత్ర సమరయోధులకు ఇచ్చే ఘన నివాళి. మనని స్వతంత్ర పౌరులుగా చేసిన మహనీయులందరినీ మరోసారి స్మరించుకుందాం. జై హింద్, జై భారత్. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you, Madam. I request Mrs. R. Meena Madam to deliver her speech.
माननीय प्रधान अध्यापक और मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, 79वीं स्वतंत्रता दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। स्वतंत्रता दिवस हमारी इतिहास का सबसे बड़ा ऐतिहासिक दिन है। इस दिन 15 अगस्त हमारा देश अंग्रेजों की पूरी तरह से आज़ाद हुआ। हमारे महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने आज़ादी के लिए अपनी जान तक कुर्बान कर दी। आज हमारा देश हर क्षेत्र में प्रगति की ओर अग्रसर हो रहा है। हर दिन अलग अलग क्षेत्र में एक नया अध्याय लिख रहा है। इसीलिए स्वतंत्रता दिवस हमारे देश की एकता और अखंडता का मजबूत रखने की प्रेरणा देता है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, Madam. I request P. Sindhuman to propose vote of thanks.
Everyone, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. On this special occasion of Independence Day, I take privilege in extending my vote of thanks. I thank management in making systematic arrangement in celebrating the occasion in a grand manner. I also thank our principal, Mrs. P. Vijayda Madam, for her inspirational speech. I thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff, and I congratulate all the students of NCC, NGC, school group and other students who made this celebration a colorful and attractive one. Thank you children, and thank you everyone.
So now the display starts. First group song by night in charge teachers, all the Hindi teachers, and number of participants 160 students.
हम उस देश के वासी हैं, हम उस देश के वासी हैं, जिस देश में गंगा बहती है। होठों पे सच्चाई रहती है, जहाँ दिल में सफाई रहती है। रखवाले हर जान की कीमत जानते हैं, हर जान की कीमत जानते हैं। मिलजुल के रहो और प्यार करो, ये चीजें ही जो रहती है। हम उस देश के वासी हैं, हम उस देश के वासी हैं, इस देश में गंगा बहती है। जो जिसे मिला सीखा हमने, गैरों को भी अपनाया हमने। जो जिसे मिला सीखा हमने, गैरों को भी अपनाया हमने। मतलब के लिए अंधे होकर रोगी को नहीं पूजा हमने, रोगी को नहीं पूजा हमने। अब हमको क्या सारी दुनिया से कहती है। हम उस देश के वासी हैं, हम उस देश के वासी हैं, इस देश में गंगा बहती है। रोडों पे सच्चाई रहती है, जहाँ दिल में सफाई रहती है। हम उस देश के वासी हैं, हम उस देश के वासी हैं, इस देश में गंगा बहती है।
Next display, yoga by 6th to 8th classes, boys and girls. So, in charge teacher, Mrs. A. Rajita ma'am. Number of participants 43.
Thank you.
ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ನವಶಕಾಲಿಕೆ ನಾಂದಿ
Six, Jyoti. Seven. Hey, Jyoti. Eight. Nine.
ఆమెకు తెలియదు మేడం.
11. 12. Done, raising up.
రెడీ
13. 14. 15.
రైట్ రైట్ ఓకే. వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు నిలబడాలంటే ఇదంతా మూవ్ కావాలి.
ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं अरे जो भी है जैसे है खुद पे हमें नाज है चाहे ना हमको ये जमाना चाहो तो हमको आजमाना प्यार बात हम जान साथ हम इश्क बात दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले सुनते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले सीधे हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले तो सीधे बड़े कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लगेंगे चुरा ओ हमको परवाह नहीं जो भी कहता है कहने दे जब ये भला या बुरा जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी और दिल से यार जो लेता तो जान सार करता है कहते हैं हमको प्यार से दिया वाले छूटते दिल के तार से दिया वाले छूटते हार से दिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले उंगली पे सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले
yellow first line, move. Yellow first line, those are sitting, move. Move a little to your left side, to your right side. Still, enough.
यहाँ की बोली रंगोली का रंग
Thank ये बात लिखी होगी रब ने मेरी बात तेरे ही साथ लिखी होगी
Children, in olden days, water pump used to be. I think you did not see that water pump. Now this is a question of water pumps.